For the past 2 days, I've been getting this light in this car that keeps telling me to check the engine. And let me tell you, I keep checking it and it's still there. It's still there. What do you want from me? In all reality though, this check engine light keeps coming up on the 05 STi for fuel temperature sensor. It's like P0183 or something like that. It's a really weird code. It doesn't really affect how the car drives. It actually doesn't affect how the car drives, but there's something about check engine lights when they're on and they don't need to be that just bothers the hell out of me. I just don't like having the cruise light flash at me and the check engine light. It's just not needed. So we're gonna run a couple errands first of all because I need to go up to the mod garage. I need to pick up payment for one of the engine builds I've done. We're gonna go to Fuse Fabrication. I'm gonna go pay Kyle the remainder of what I owe him. We need to go to Home Depot also because I need like a tool cabinet or something. And then we're gonna tear the back seats out of this again to see what the hell is going on, because as much as I love check engine lights, I don't love them. I don't think anybody loves them. And if you do, you're a psycho. You're crazy. There's something wrong with you because nobody likes check engine lights. So let's warm up the 05 and start running some errands. Also, our Fender Flares finally shipped out for this thing, so this is probably the last video you're ever gonna see this car's stock body. Just saying, so if you enjoy it while you can. So driving up here, the check engine light did not come back on for the box right here. Although I may have tried to do some flat foot shifting with flat foot shifting not set, and I may have just sent the RPMs to the moon. Car's fine, totally fine. It's a trooper. We're rebuilding it anyways. Worst comes to worst, it blows up and we tear it apart like we're going to. But made it up to the mod garage. It's fun doing some like flat foot shifting pulls with Melanie in the car because she's not often in the car when I go like full chooch on it, and she seems to be enjoying it. Not 100% sure on that one, but she seems to be. But we got some, apparently Brian has some surprises for me also that he was saying. I have no idea what these surprises consist of that he was talking about, but he was saying there's like some small surprise.
Hi.
What is this surprise?
Oh, it's like very small. But
what is it?
Since last time.
Did you get more?
I got you one for the road and we'll get more later.
Oh, what? Why would I be upset about that?
Because the last time I got this instead of the Dreamsicle.
Yeah. What a gentleman. Rain, the white gummy bear, 10 out of 10, best flavor. Would you concur? I mean, you have one.
I would concur.
Best flavor. What was this other one? You said
orange Dreamsicle or whatever.
Oh, were those the two?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, this is 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 on the white gummy bears. 100%. Senor Brian forgot some of the payment at home, so mod garage is now mine for the next 15 minutes, and Melanie's, because we're just both eating the chips up here and hanging out. So he'll be back shortly, and then we can go run the rest of these errands. Hopefully. I don't know, Kyle was talking about he may have done a little bit of work on the 17 STi today, so when we swing down there, I don't even know if he's gonna be there when we swing down there. We'll see, I don't know. He may have done some other work on the car today. He was talking about doing the cold side of the intercooler piping, lower radiator hose, dump tubes for the wastegates, whole bunch of stuff. We're waiting on raw material to come in, as always. It's always raw material. Back again. Give me a rev. Rev it. Give me something. That's weak. Weak WRX owners. Weak!
What?
Give me a rev or something.
I got nothing.
Appease the people, man.
I got nothing.
Give us a rev. Come on. You got any more or is that it? That's it? Damn, boy. Goods have been acquired. Literally like all 20s and 5s. Looks like I'm about to go to the strip club. Legit looks like I'm about to go to the strip club.
Hell yeah, let's go. Now
we can, ooh, wow, that was really zoomed in. Now we can go swing down to Kyle's. We can finish paying Kyle. He sent me a couple photos. It looks like he's mocking up the alternator because the IAG kit, it works for the most part, but there's a couple small things that we have to like modify on it. Let's go swing down to Fuse and go bug Kyle a little bit. And then we can go to Home Depot because I need to pick up a cabinet. And then we can fix this turd. Surprisingly enough, not bad traffic coming down that again. Since I have Melanie in the car, we could take the HOV lane pretty much the entire way down here, but just got Kyle paid the last little bit for most of the work. We're gonna have him build us a catback also, and I'll show you guys why here in a second. But I want to show you guys this because I think building one of these on the channel at some point would just be, it would be so cool. If at any point in the future we ever got the opportunity to build a truck like this, I would be all over it. Kyle's doing an exhaust manifold for this I don't even know, I think it's an LS in there, but a bagged like old school truck Yo, I'd be all about this. This thing would be a blast to build and drive, but let me show you what's going on with the STi right now. While we've been out about running errands, Kyle's been in here knocking stuff out. We were waiting on stuff to show up. It showed up, I don't know, like an hour ago or something like that. So we're about to jet out and do some other stuff, but he's playing with the intake manifold right now. So you can see the intake manifold's already cut in half. He has the downpipe like tacked up on here and going. As you guys remember, it's a titanium downpipe. I'm gonna have Kyle do a catback for the car also, just because there's nobody out there that I could find that even makes a 4-inch catback. So just having Kyle make one, it's gonna suit the car a little bit better. It's gonna flow with everything a little bit better as well. So I think we got a couple couplers in, the titanium for this. What are you thinking for the intake manifold?
I don't know. I was playing with it a little bit and trying to clean up these runners the best I can. I think it's gonna look weird having cast runners with a little piece on it and then the plenum.
Yeah.
I might just go through and cut the runners off the flange.
And just take the flanges?
Yeah, just take the flanges. I think it might be easier that way.
Okay, I'm a powder coat it too, so I don't think you're gonna see a huge difference, maybe in texture on it. But
it's just something I'm playing with right now. I'm gonna get it figured out by tonight and see what I want to do.
dope, dude. Oh yes, the big old throttle body.
Throttle body. Sit probably somewhere like that.
Right about there, and then come down through here and go to the cold side. Yeah, I don't think I actually showed anyone the throttle body yet, 'cause I think I dropped it off before I got the chance to, but this is just a Bosch 85 mm. It's just a universal throttle body,
yeah,
right?
pretty much.
85 millimeters, so that should do the job. It's about 3.5 inch in piping.
3.5 inches, yeah.
So, like I showed you guys in the last fab video, 3-inch on the hot side, 3.5 on the cold side, up to the throttle body, up to the crazy manifold that Kyle's going to fab up for this. But, dude, just seeing the runners on here, it's going too.
I took off your little...
The hood scoop delete?
Yeah, just so I could see how much room I had.
Oh, totally fine.
The throttle body and everything. Just playing with it.
Totally fine. I think I might.
Because we have to get the 3.5 inch pipe over this area right here.
Oh, we can make that work.
Yeah.
Like it's kind of hard to see on camera, you guys, but it's like it's clearing, but just barely.
Yeah, and it's just sitting there too. It could be at a different angle, sitting down more.
We'll make it work.
So, yeah, definitely.
Dope. We'll let you get out of your hair and let you get back to it, good sir.
Yeah, no problem.
I'll be back down here tomorrow for more fab work going on with the car. It sounds like we're gonna get the downpipe finished tomorrow. More work done on the intake manifold. We were talking catback options as well, so it's happening. Things are happening. But now we gotta go to Home Depot or Lowe's. I need to pick up a cabinet. I need somewhere to put all of my electrical stuff, and we need to go to Target because Melanie needs an Instant Pot. Apparently there's only 2 left, so we're gonna go grab an Instant Pot. We'll be right back. Camera's in the trunk, so you're gonna have to work with me here, but it's back. It's back. It leaves and then it comes back. So if I come over here and I go to troubleshoot, my phone sucks, but fuel temp sensor circuit high. I knew it! Well, check engine light came back, as you guys saw in that little like phone clip when I was like on my way to Lowe's. I got the cabinet, by the way, so I gotta throw that together real quick. But it's for the fuel temperature sensor. So all I'm gonna do tonight is take out the back seats, pop the access panel off of the fuel cover area. I'm gonna check the main connectors for the fuel temperature sensor. If they're tight and everything's good, then I'm just gonna go ahead and order a new temperature sensor tonight. If I'm taking the fuel pumps back out of the fuel tank, I'd rather just replace the sensor so that way I don't have to go back in there again. Because it's kind of annoying with the fuel level sensor in there. It doesn't affect the car's performance in any way. It's just having a check engine light just bothers the hell out of me. It bothers me. Let's build a cabinet. Let's build a cabinet for all this electrical stuff I have laying around. All right, new cabinet put together. We have all electrical type deals in here. Wiring, connectors, crimps, sheathing. Literally an electrical thing. It's not that I like absolutely needed it, but when you're working with a space where you only have like half of a garage, being able to maximize that space as much as you can is huge. Like under the table storage, cabinets, things like that, big tall rack. So now that that's taken care of, let's get this thing pushed in here. Actually, I'll just back it up in here. We'll take a peek at what's going on with that fuel pump, and hopefully it's just a loose connection. I'm hoping so. If it is, I'd make life easy. If not, I'll just order that new sensor tonight. It's whatevs. It's whatevs. Pretty quick diagnosis after I got the seat out. So we are leaking fuel out of the fuel pump up top. So that gasket in there is probably old and worn. So what I think I'm gonna end up doing, I'm gonna order a new fuel temperature sensor. I'm gonna order a new gasket. I'm gonna order whatever size that fitting is. I'm gonna have to look on Iridium's website. We're just gonna do a -6 feed because it looks like we're leaking out of that feed line right there. So we'll just do a hard line, a -6 feed from the pump up to the front of the car. So we'll do the same thing that we did with the 17 STi. We'll run a new line up. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the extent of removing the old hard line just because it's such a pain to do. But like the connection for the fuel temperature sensor, it feels totally fine in there. It could be on the bottom side that it might just be a little loose. I'm not 100% sure. Easy to fix, hopefully. Maybe, I actually don't know. I mean, it's good to know that the fuel system is leaking fuel. I don't foresee it being like crazy hard to fix. Dude, there's so much stuff coming up in the next couple of weeks. I'm about to be stupid busy. We need to wide body Karma. We need to wrap Karma. We need to fix this fuel issue. We need to assemble the new engine for Karma. We need to finish fab on the 17 STi. We need to wire up the 17 STi. The past couple of weeks have been like super slow with content and like what I've been doing with the cars, and everything's about to just like explode in my face. I'm about to get bukkakied by Subarus. Subaru bukkake, if that's a thing. I don't know, but like, we've got all that stuff there. We've got the wheels, the flares showing up on Friday. I have to wire in the Haltech on the 17 STi. There's stupid amounts of stuff. I'm gonna be busy. Not gonna be a bad thing though. But anyways, that's really all I got for you guys on this one. It's more of like a vlog-ish kind of afternoon. Diagnosing this, running all those errands, checking all the progress on the 17 STi. I'll be over at Kyle's tomorrow, which is the day you guys are seeing this for the next fab video you guys are getting. But crazy excited for all the busyness about to happen. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys on this one. So if you liked the video, you know what to do. Go ahead, hit that like button, turn it black, blue, green, yellow, purple, silver sign, whatever color it turns for you. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit your boy up. One of these corners, no idea which one I'll put it in quite yet. But with that, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, homies. Woo!